Hi, everybody. Good morning. My name is Jason Collins, and I'm in the Life Markets and Annuity Solutions Department here at URL Insurance Group, specializing in single premium life, annuities, long-term care, and life insurance. Now, today we're going to discuss an interesting solution that's going to really supercharge your clients' money for maximum tax-free wealth transfer called single premium life. Now, why single premium life? What's so important about single premium life? What's the benefits of single premium life? Well, to me, it's really a home run. You're going to be able to leverage your client's money for a real use it, give it, and get it back solution. Anytime that you purchase anything in life, to me, there's three things that you want to make sure when purchasing. You want to make sure certainly that whatever you're purchasing, you can be able to use it. And if you're not able to use it, you'd like to make sure that you can give that to somebody maybe in your circle of influence. And if there's nobody that you can give it to, you want to make sure that I can go take that back to the store and return it and get my money back. So again, single premium life is going to be able to hit on all three of those topics when purchasing. Now let's talk a little bit about the use it part of single premium life. So the use it protection is going to protect everybody from long-term care concerns. A lot of times you're going to be able to accelerate the death benefit for any sort of chronic care, in-home care, nursing care. So it's a great alternative to long-term care, traditional long-term care. You have access to your cash. So you have access to your cash with withdrawals and loans. Say, for example, you need to put a new roof on your house. You need a couple extra bucks to kind of fill that void. You can take a withdrawal or a loan from these policies. You can either choose to pay it back or not. If you don't, then that would reduce that benefit dollar for dollar, but you do have access to it. Benefits are going to be generally tax-free. Again, this is life insurance. We're talking about, transferring the wealth and creating a death benefit. So the benefits are going to be tax-free with the chronic care or when you accelerate the death benefit most often. Here's, to me, one of the best. It's a simplified issue underwriting. So what that's going to look like is point of sale. You're going to be able to sit in front of the client. You're going to have a few knockout questions, and you're going to be able to know right then and there if they're a good candidate for single premium life. Some cases, then you don't even have to worry about parameds or waiting months and months and months and sitting in underwriting. You're going to be able to know right then and there, and you're going to get an answer within 24 to 48 hours, which is fantastic. We're out there trying to make sales. We're not out there trying to be underwriters, so that's great. You're going to be able to give it, again, this is life insurance. So it's going to provide a higher tax-free death benefit than the premiums paid in, which is fantastic. You're going to really be able to leverage that money that's maybe sitting in sideline money that your clients are having, maybe CDs that are making no interest or very minimal interest. You're able to leverage that money, take that, and convert it over into a single premium life. It's going to generate a higher tax-free death benefit. Again, bullet point number 2, it generates a tax-free family legacy. We talked about that. That's the whole purpose of this. Wealth transfer, one of the main things. And it avoids probate. So it's a contract between you and the insurance carrier. You're not going to have to worry about it getting stuck in probate. And get it back. Again, we talked about this, 100% full liquidity options. Most either wait 5 years depending on the carrier. Some carriers have it that it's full return of premium from day one. Again, if that's important to your client, certainly reach out to me. We can be able to discuss what options are out there for you and your client. And again, we talked about the withdrawals and loans. You have access to the money. It's not going to be tied up, that you're not going to be able to have access to at least portions of it. So who are the candidates? Again, anybody who may have been declined for long-term care, traditional long-term care, interested in long-term care, great candidates. Estate planning, again, wealth transfer, anybody who has CDs, sideline money. Here's a good one, RMDs with qualified money. RMDs that they may not be using, they don't need to use. Anybody who has qualified money, give me a call, talk to me. It's going to be too complicated to get into right here today, but there's certainly solutions for people that have the RMDs and the qualified money. So again, I want to thank everybody for your time. Thank you for doing business with URL. My name is Jason Collins. Again, I'm in the Annuity Solutions and Life Markets teams. If you have any questions or concerns or want to see some illustrations, please give me a call, 717-216-8038. Everybody have a great day.